Grandpa, I really need to go to the restroom.
Again? We just arrived.
It's very urgent.
Can you wait a little?
No, I cannot wait.
Just a few minutes.
I said no minutes.
There are trees everywhere.
Grandpa.
I am joking. I am joking.
This is not funny.
I also need to go.
What? You too?
Yes. Very bad timing.
Then let's go now.
Slow down. I am not young.
This is an emergency.
This is my fast speed.
You are like a turtle.
This turtle is doing his best.
Do you see a restroom?
I see a gate.
That does not help.
I see people sitting.
I cannot ask them.
Okay. Keep going.
Grandpa, hurry!
My legs are trying. Wait, what is that?
Why did you stop? Stop!
I see a coffee shop.
A coffee shop has a restroom?
Learn English with fun.